Hi students, how are you? I hope that you are all preparing well for JEE Mains 2023 examinations. So in the last few videos I explained about the pair of straight lines. I hope that I covered almost all concepts. Now in this video I am going to explain previous year problems which were given in JEE Mains examinations. But if you analyze the previous year problems, majority of the problems were given from straight lines concept, not pair of straight lines concept. Last year 2022, not even a single problem was asked from the concepts of pair of straight lines. So that's why, you concentrate more on straight lines than on pair of straight lines, but we don't think that we won't get any problems from pair of straight lines. But if you observe the trend, majority of the problems are giving from straight lines chapter. Okay, now such type of one problem is given from this pair of straight lines concept that was asked in IIT JEE 2019. So the question is here. Welcome to this problem. So the problem is the equation y is equal to sin x into sin of x plus 2 minus sin square x plus 1 represents a straight line lying in, so here the quadrants are given. So lying in Q2 and Q3 are Q1, Q2 and Q4 are Q1, Q3. That means the straight line passes through which of the quadrants he is saying. So basically this also comes under straight line chapter only. So let us try to solve this problem. See the solution here. Given the equation of the line is y is equal to sin x into sin of x plus 2 minus sin square x plus 1. Okay, now, right. Let us consider this problem. See here. First of all, let us here 1, 2, 3 trigonometric ratios are there, sine. Let us try to make it into a single trigonometric equation. Then how to do this? Here sin A, sin B is there. If it is 2 is there, we can write it as a single one. 2 sin A sin of x plus 2. That is, you write down. Again, this is a sin square x plus 1. Okay. So this is equal to 1 by 2 into 2 sin A sin B. 2 sin A sin B can be written as 2 sin A sin B can be written as cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B. Okay, cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B, nothing but 2 sin A sin B. Again, this is sin square theta. That means sin square A, sin square theta 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2 from trigonometry. So those are well known formulas. So this is equal to cos of A minus B. X minus x minus 2, that is a minus 2 minus, this is equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta. So so this is equal to cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B. That means if you add these two, x plus x, 2x plus 2. So this is equal to 2x plus 2 minus sin square theta. Sin square theta means what? 1 minus cos 2 theta. So this is equal to 2x plus 2 by 2. Understand? 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. So if you simplify this, we can get it as a 1 by 2 cos 2 minus 1 by 2 cos of 2x plus 2. Again, this is equal to minus 1 by 2, minus into minus plus 1 by 2 cos of 2x plus 2. Any more cancellation you will get as clearly minus 1 by 2 cos of 2x plus 2 plus 1 by 2 cos of 2x plus 2 gets cancelled. So ultimately what you get, so this is equal to minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 cos 2 you got. Right. In the numerator, can I take minus 1 by 2, in the minus 1 by 2 on the whole, can I take minus 1 by 2 if you take common outside. So this is equal to 1 minus cos 2, 1 minus cos 2 you will get. Okay, now if you take minus 1 by 2 common outside, this is a 1 minus cos 2. This again we can simplify this, otherwise you can put here 2 here. So that is a minus 1 into 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. See here, 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2 can be written as sin square theta. This is nothing but sin square theta. Theta means how much here? 1. If it is a 2 theta, you will get here theta. So on the whole, minus 1 sin square 1 you got. So let us continue the solution. Welcome back. So we got y is equal to minus sin square 1. 1 means here 1 radian. So where will be this equation? Whatever may be that, on the whole this is a constant, y is equal to some minus k you got. Sin square 1 is a sin 1 degree has had some value, sin square 1 is also a constant, minus k value. So where this line will be there? Minus k. So if you see this, so this is the x-axis and y-axis. The equation of x-axis is y is equal to 0 and y is equal to minus k line definitely lies below the x-axis. Here sin square 1, definitely it will be a positive quantity. Sin square 1 radian is a positive quantity. Sin 1, whatever may be the value, squaring means positive. Either or negative is there. Minus k will be remain as it is. Therefore, y is equal to minus k line lies below the x-axis definitely, and it is parallel to x-axis, and it has a distance of some k units from the x-axis. Therefore, this line passes through the point quadrants Q3 and Q4. Therefore, option 4 is your correct answer. Okay, now. So very easy concept this is, but of course we are not used any pair of straight lines concept here, but it is also one of the important model we got. The thing is here we simplified the given trigonometric expression in the right hand side, and we got y is equal to minus sin square 1 degree. This also you can do in a short trick way. How? So here x. He is not saying anything about x. He is not saying anything about x. That's why you can put x is equal to 0. You can put x is equal to 0, no problem. Why? Because that is the identity, it is valid for any value. So put x is equal to 0, what happens? So y is equal to sin 0, 0, sin of 2, that is a finite value, 0 into a finite value 0. Here also put 0. So this is equal to minus sin square 1 you got. So according to our problem also we got y is equal to minus sin square 1. By short trick formula, y is also minus sin square 1. So the line passes through Q3 and pull. Just put x is equal to 0 in the given expression, you will get a short trick form also we can get. Okay, now. So I hope that you understand this solution, both general method and short trick method. Okay. So let us move to next problem. Welcome to second problem. The second problem is, if one of the lines of my square plus 1 minus m square xy minus mx square is equal to 0. As it is a pair of lines, ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0 form is there, is a bisector of the angle between the lines. This also pair of lines, xy is equal to 0. See the solution, then m is equal to, what is the value of m? Here given equation of the pair of lines is what? Xy is equal to 0. Xy is equal to 0 means what? X is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. That is, they are nothing but x-axis, this is x-axis and y-axis. So here x is equal to 0 means this is x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. For this coordinate axis, what is the angle bisector? What is the equation of the angle bisector is this. This is very clearly y is equal to x, y is equal to minus x. Y is equal to y, x is a one angle bisector, y is equal to minus x is a another angle bisector. Okay. Now he is saying one of the line, either y is equal to x or y is equal to minus x, is in these lines, that is, if one of the lines of in this line, it has a two lines, it has a two lines. In those two lines, one of the line is y is equal to x or y is equal to minus x. One of the lines. Understand this? This pair of parallel lines has a two lines. Under the two lines, one of the line is either y is equal to x or y is equal to minus x. Then what have to do? So given what is the given equation? My square plus 1 minus m square into xy minus mx square is equal to 0. So substitute y is equal to plus or minus x. Either you can substitute y is equal to x or y is equal to minus x. No problem. Wherever we can solve, we can, that means this equation satisfies this equation. Why? Because out of these two lines, these are the one of the line. Okay, na? So simply substitute wherever y is there, substitute plus or minus x. So this is equal to m into plus or minus x. This is 1 minus m square into x into y. Y means x. So this is also x square minus mx square is equal to 0. So here x square, x, since x cannot be equal to 0, we can cancel. So therefore m plus 1 minus m square minus m is equal to 0. Plus m minus m cancel, m square is equal to 1. This is a m is equal to plus or minus 1. Therefore, m is equal to 1 is the answer is there. That is your right answer. Okay. So very answer easy problem. This was given in 2007. Okay, now I hope that you understand this solution. Let us move to next problem. Welcome to the next problem. So the problem is here. If one of the lines given by cx square minus x, 6x square minus xy plus 4cy square is equal to 0 is 3x plus 4y is equal to 0, then the c is equal to. So here the solution is a very easy one. So just like previous problem. So this is equal to 4cy square is equal to 0. This is a pair of lines containing two lines. This is a equation of pair of lines. It has two lines. So out of that, one of the line is 3x plus 4y is equal to 0. One of the line is 3x plus 4y is equal to 0, but is not saying anything about the second line. Then what is the value of c? That means from this y is equal to how much? Minus 3x by 4. So substitute y is equal to minus 3x by 4 in the given equation. Why? Because this equation should satisfy the given pair of equation. Why? Because it is one of the line. It should satisfy the given equation. Okay, now substitute here. So this is equal to 6x square minus x into what is y value? Minus 3x by 4 plus 4c into this is a minus 3x by 4 whole square is equal to 0. So here x square, x into x, x square, again x square, you will get x square cancel. You can cancel x square. Here what remains? Here 6 minus into minus plus 3 by 4 plus 4c into, so this is equal to 9 by 16. 9 by 16 is equal to 0. So 4 1s are, 4 4s are, you can cancel. So divided by 4, divided by 4. So multiply with 4, you can get, otherwise multiply with 4 6 are 24 plus 3 plus 9, c is equal to 0. So this is a 24 plus 3, 27 plus 9c is equal to 0. Therefore, c is equal to minus 3. Minus 3 is your answer. Okay. So such a very easy problems, but of course it was given a very long back, 2004. I think there IEEE problem. But the concept try to understand. Here the previous problem here. Here it is a equation of pair of lines. One of the line is given. Therefore, you can substitute the equation in the given pair of line equation. Okay. Thereby you will get the answer. Okay. I hope that you understand this solution. Let us go for next problem. Welcome to this next problem. If the sum of the slopes of the lines given by x square minus 2c xy minus 7y square is 4 times their product, then the value of c is. So this is a pair of equation passing through origin. It has two lines. Let the slope of the two lines is m1 and m2. We have a relation m1 and m2. So this is a m1 plus m2 is equal to minus 2h by b. m1 into m2 is equal to a by b. So this is the sum of the slopes and it is product of the slopes of the lines represented by the equation ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. He is given sum of the slopes of the lines is given by is 4 times their product. That means minus 2h by b is equal to 4 times its product a by b. Product sum of the slopes is equal to 4 times the product of the slopes. Now compare these values with the given values. Here ax square plus 2hxy plus by square. So here already minus is there. 2h value is 2c. 2h value is 2c. Sorry, 2h value is minus 2c. So already it is a minus 2c by. B value is minus 7 4 times. A by b 1 by minus 7. Okay, 1 by minus 7. So very clear. So you can cancel minus 7, minus into minus plus. So 2c is equal to 4. Therefore, c is equal to 2. So c is equal to 2 your correct answer. Okay na? So very easy problem. So it was asked in 2004. So I hope that you understand this solution. So let us move to next problem. Welcome to this problem. If the pair of straight lines x square minus 2pxy minus y square is equal to 0 and x square minus 2qxy minus y square is equal to 0 be such that each pair bisects the angle between the other pair. That means the pair of angular bisectors of the first equation is the second one. The pair of angular bisectors of the second one is the first one. That's all. So we can find out the pair of angular, if you find out the equation of pair of angular bisectors, you will get the, this is the equation. The equation of the pair of angular bisectors of the second equation is nothing but first equation. Understand? So if you know that, the problem is over. So beside that, one concept also you know. What is that? Ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. What is the equation of pair of angular bisectors? What is the equation of pair of angular bisectors? So this is nothing but h into x square minus y square is equal to a minus b times xy. So let us take, you can take first one or second one, first one, whatever may be that. Let us take the second one, x square minus 2qxy minus y square is equal to 0. So general, compare with the general form, 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. Okay now. So here a is equal to 1, h is equal to minus q, b is equal to minus 1. Now substitute here h into, that is a minus q into x square minus y square is equal to a minus b means 2xy. Take to that side, so this is equal to qx square minus 2xy, already plus 2xy there only. So this is a minus into minus plus, if goes that side, minus qy square is equal to 0. So this is the equation of angular bisector of the second pair of lines. So according to such that each pair bisects the angle between the other pair means what? This line, that is a particularly this line and the given first line, both are same, both represents the same pair of lines. That means they are identical lines. Identical lines means what? A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2, like that. So here x square, here first I will take q by x square coefficient is q here x square coefficient is 1 is equal to, here xy coefficient is 2 upon, here xy coefficient is minus 2p. Here constant is minus q, here constant is minus 1. Okay, you compare these two quantities. If you compare these two quantities, 2 will get cancelled. PQ is equal to minus 1. So PQ is equal to minus 1. First option is the correct answer. Otherwise, you can find out the equation of angular bisector of the first line. You compare with the second line. You will get the same answer. Okay, now that's a very, very easy concept. This is it was asked in competitive examination in 2003. Okay, I hope that you understand this solution. Let us go to next problem. Welcome to this problem. So the problem is the pair of lines represented by 3ax square plus 5xy plus a square minus 2y square, that is in the form of ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0, are perpendicular to each other, So then each other for two values of a, for all a, for one value of a, for no value of a. Okay, now. So we know the condition that if two lines are perpendicular, we know the condition a plus b is equal to 0. A plus b means a means coefficient of x square, b means coefficient of y square. So here what is the coefficient of x square? That is equal to 3a plus what is the coefficient of y square? A square minus 2. This is a square minus 2. So this is a square plus 3a minus 2 is equal to 0. Here you can solve the equation, otherwise he is not asking a particular what is the value of a, he is asking two values of for all, for one value of a, for no value of a. Okay, now. So for that find the discriminant, simply find the discriminant delta, that is b square minus 4ac. b square means this is a 3 square minus 4ac, that is equal to 9 plus 8, that is equal to 7 greater than 0, 17 greater than 0. So that means 17 greater than 0 means what? This quadratic equation will have two distinct roots. It will have two distinct roots. Therefore, for two values of a, the given pair of lines are perpendicular to each other. Therefore, your answer is option A will be the correct answer. Okay, now. So very easy problem this is. I hope that you understand this solution. Let us go for next problem. Dear students, welcome to this problem. The problem is if the pair of lines ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 intersects on the y-axis, then what is the condition? That means if you consider this x-axis and y-axis, so here these two pair of lines, they are intersecting on x-axis, y-axis. They are intersecting on y-axis, then what is the condition? If they are intersecting on y-axis means what? 0 comma some y coordinate. That means x is equal to 0. Understand this? X is equal to 0. So substitute x is equal to 0 in the given equation. Substitute here. So this will become 0, this will become 0, and this is also will become 0. So now what is the remaining quantities you will have? So you will have by square plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation in the variable y. Actually, it will have two roots. Actually, it should have two roots, y1, y2, but he is saying that both the lines are intersecting at only one point. That means this quadratic equation should have equal roots. Equal roots means what? Delta is equal to 0. Equal roots means delta is equal to 0. That means they are intersecting at only one point, means it should have only one root. That's why roots are equal. So roots are equal means b square. That means b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. B square means 4f square minus 4 into b into c is equal to 0. So you can cancel with f square minus bc is equal to 0. Otherwise, f square is equal to bc. So here we got f square is equal to bc. So multiply with a on both sides, I will tell y. So af square is equal to abc. So wherever af square is there, you can put abc. Okay, now put it like that. Now coming to, it is a pair of lines. It is this equation represents a pair of lines. Already we know the condition in the beginning itself. We explained what is that condition? Delta. What is delta? ABC plus 2fgh minus af square minus bg square minus ch square is equal to 0. This is of course h square greater than or equal to ab, g square greater than or equal to bc. that also is there. So here ABC plus 2FGH minus AF square minus BG square minus CH square is equal to 0. It is already condition. But here we got AF square is equal to ABC. That means minus AF square is equal to ABC. These two can be cancelled. That means ABC minus AF square is equal to B. You can cancel these two quantities. And so we got 2FGH. 2FGH is equal to BG square plus CH square. Option A is the right answer. So the thing here, very nice problem this is. First thing is, he is saying that these pair of lines are intersecting at x-axis. That means there is only one point of intersection. Of course, two lines intersect to at one point only, but here the roots are only one here. Put x is equal to 0, there is a quadratic equation y. You cannot get two y values. You have to get only one y value. That's why its discriminant delta is equal to 0, b square minus 4ac. So you know why I multiplied AF square, A on both sides. Why? Because AF square is equal to ABC. Therefore, ABC minus AF square both can be cancelled. That's why we multiplied A on both sides. Okay now? So very nice problem this is. Okay. I hope that you enjoyed today's class with some more problems from this pair of straight lines. Tomorrow's class I will stand before you. So until then, all the best.